Hello everyone, welcome back to Capricorn Tech Tuesday. So for today's video, we will be covering forms, checklists, and daily reports, which is the one of the important part of quality management in construction project. And today we will be looking into the Autodesk Construction Cloud workflow for managing the quality in your project. Okay, so before starting, I want to introduce that we are Capricorn Technologies, a Win Zero company, your digitalization and net zero partners. Okay, so to begin with, Autodesk Construction Cloud, it's a cloud-based platform which is used to manage your project. Okay, so it comes up with these three different products: BIM Collaborate Pro, Autodesk Takeoff, and Autodesk Build, which are utilized in different phases of the construction project. So let's say there is a BIM Collaborate Pro, which is used during the design phase of the project for better collaboration and coordination between the different teams belonging to different disciplines. Okay, then Autodesk Takeoff is used during the planning phase of the project for quantity takeoff estimations. And then Autodesk Build is utilized during the execution phase for project management, quality management, safety management, and many more. We will be looking at further. And then this is Autodesk Docs, which is the another product of Autodesk Construction Cloud, which is used to manage all your documents which you are creating in during the different phases of your project inside different tools. So all that is managed in this common data environment provided by Autodesk Docs. Then there is Insights, which provides dashboards and reports related to project, and then administration controls and handled in the administration part of the software. Okay, so we are looking to today inside the build phase of the project. So here you can see different phases of the project: design phase, plan phase, build and operation phase. So we are majorly looking to today in the Autodesk build tool, which is utilized in this build phase of the project. So you can see the capabilities. It can handle project management, cost management, quality, safety, and even project closeout. Okay, so the major aspect of Autodesk Build, which we are looking today, is for quality and safety management, which will be handled through the Forms tool here in the platform. Okay, so what does this Autodesk Build Forms tool enables us with? Okay, so it can help you to connect your workflows. So forms, checklist, punch list, daily reports, all that you can easily connect with your various other workflows of your project. Then you can generate and share reports with the team in the form of PDFs or Excels. All your forms or checklist can be shared across the team. Then you can decide how the team should collaborate. So you will be making these forms accountable by assigning a contributors and reviewers and managers. So you can choose who will play what role towards the form by setting up that forms. Then there is options to customize forms to your project's needs. You can set up the templates which will be used by various people on the field to fill up the forms, and you can even create smart PDFs through the project forms which you're already using. You can convert it into smart PDFs and just upload it there on the cloud. Then fill out checklist on the mobile. So there is a Plan Grid Build app which can be utilized to fill out the forms, create forms and fill out there on the site only. Then there is an option to view the activity log, where you can view who all has taken what up actions towards the form, right? And the last but not the least is providing the crucial context. Okay, so you can add references in a form of issues or photos or comments to any particular question in your checklist or daily reports or forms, so that people can easily identify what all issue is there with that particular you know particular question in the form. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna take you to this platform. Okay, so this is Autodesk Construction Cloud platform. So right now we are in the build tool, and you can choose the project you want to work on from this drop down menu. And let's look into the forms tool for now. Okay, so in the forms tool, firstly, we create templates. Okay, so here's the option to create templates first. So Autodesk provides default templates by their end as well, related to quality and safety checklist, punch list, etc. And also you can create your own templates, set up your customize your own templates. So there are a few ways how you can create your template. First one is build a new form, customize your own based on your needs. Then there is an option to upload an existing PDF form. Okay, so you can upload a PDF which you might be using uh, as a checklist. So you can just convert that checklist into a smart PDF and upload it here on the cloud. Then there is an option to import your forms from the another project, okay, which is there in the build. So you can transfer between the forms between projects as well. Okay, so this is also the option for creating the templates. Now let's look into one of the template. So if I here open this template, after setting up the template, we need to make it accountable. Okay, so what that means is we need to assign a contributor, reviewer, and manager responsibilities to different team members in the project. So we can choose to add multiple contributors or a single contributor. Then there is an option to um, assign, let's say, a mode of contributing to the towards the form in sequence or in parallel. So multiple contributors, if there are multiple contributors, so you can choose the mode you want them to fill the form in sequence or in parallel. Okay, so after the contributors submit the form, it goes to the reviewers. Then reviewers can choose to review and approve the forms or reject the forms. So you can also choose to allow reviewers to view the drafts mode of the forms. So let's say you are still filling the form. So you are filling the form throughout the day, and by the end you want to submit, and meanwhile you just keep it in draft mode. So reviewers can view that draft mode as well if you just click on this options. Then there is a manager role. So a person you are assigning the manager role will be the one who has power to create templates and modify the template settings. All these only managers can do, form managers. Okay, I'm discarding the changes for now. Then after all the settings with the templates have been done, then people from the fields can just go to form and create forms. So let's say I want to create form for this particular template which is there. So it will appear to them like this, the templates as we have set. So it will appear to them as this. So firstly, they can just add on the form details, like the date on which they are filling the form, the location. So for what area of the building or the tower or the phase you are filling this form for, you can describe that. Then descriptions, and you can also attach references in a form of photos or issues or any file you are referring throughout the process, and maybe any other form or asset. You can reference it to this particular form so that you will be able to connect the form to the other workflows in the project. Okay, so this way you will be able to connect the project workflows very easily. Then there is also option to connect photos and issues to a particular question in the form. Okay, so let's say there is an issue with this particular question, so I can easily arise an issue from here, and this issue will be added to the issue log of the project. And even after creating the issue, I can escalate it to an RFI to obtain the information regarding that particular problem. Okay, so now after filling this form, I can either choose to leave it to the draft mode and go back, or either I can submit it right away. Okay, so this way, after submitting, it will be going to the reviewer, and reviewer can then review it. So this is how the forms tool can help you control the quality in your construction projects. Thank you so much, everyone.